for me, getting what you want in life is just another way of saying living your best life. And it's important to live your best life because it can bring you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose. Welcome back to Self-Care Karen. This video has timestamps, so if you want to skip ahead to the tap along sequence, then you are able to do so. Just check out the video description. That way you can come back to this video, this tap along sequence, whenever you need to. So this video is part of my EFT, that is Emotional Freedom Technique series. And if you want to know a little bit more about EFT and tapping, then please check out this video here where I introduce the topic. And if you would like some companion EFT products, just check out my Etsy shop, which is selfcarekaren.etsy.com. I have an EFT journal and ready-made scripts there for you. Okay, so when you're living your best life, you're able to pursue your passions, develop your talents, and form meaningful relationships. And this can lead to a more satisfying and fulfilling existence, and it can help you feel more positive and motivated. Additionally, living your best life can also have a positive impact on those around you, as your happiness and sense of purpose can be contagious. So where does EFT come into all of this? Well, it could be that your own thoughts and beliefs are standing between you and you getting what you want in life. Emotional Freedom Technique, or EFT, is a really effective way of working through your limiting beliefs, your emotional blocks, and building a thought pattern that will enable you to live your best life and get what you want from this life. Okay, so don't worry if you've not seen my introduction video where I talk about the tapping points and a little bit of the history behind EFT. All you need to do today is just follow along, do what I do and say what I say. So to complete this tap along sequence, find yourself somewhere comfortable, hopefully where you're not going to be disturbed, and make sure that you've got easy access to your face and the top area of your body. And then just take in a deep breath, and we're going to start with the karate chop. So just hold your hand like so and tap. You can tap with 2 fingers or 4 or 1, whatever you like. And just repeat after me. I'm ready to get what I want in life, and I love and accept myself. I feel ready to be open to all the good things coming my way, and I love and honour myself. I empower myself to achieve what I want, and I love and respect myself. Okay, we're going to move to the eyebrow, just 2 fingers here. I allow my passion to overpower procrastination. Side of eye. I step out of my own way. Under eye. I am ready to move forward with a life I am excited to lead. Okay. Under nose. I believe in the power of my dreams. Chin. I visualize what I want, and I feel the joy it brings me. Okay, collarbone. I use both hands here. I release any limiting beliefs I have about being able to live my best life. We're just going to go to the underarm. I am fully committed to achieving my goals. Okay, top of head. I am resilient, strong, and brave. Okay, eyebrow. I am grateful for how far I have come. Side of eye. I am so grateful for all the joy I already have in my life. Okay, under eye. I choose to be happy and feel joy right now. Under nose. I am removing my emotional barriers to getting what I want. Chin. I choose to believe that I can live my best life. Collarbone. I am at peace with my past. Underarm. I choose what I become. Top of head. I feel empowered, I feel inspired, and I feel motivated. Eyebrow. I am ready to see amazing results in every aspect of my life. Side of eye. I allow myself to be happy. Under eye. I deserve to get what I want from life. Under nose. I free myself from self-doubt. Chin. I let go of any limitations I have placed on getting what I want in life. Collarbone. I am unstoppable. Underarm. I am ready to live my best life. Top of head. I choose to get what I want in life with everything I am and everything I am becoming. Now take a deep breath in. Slowly release that breath. Just check in with how you're feeling. You deserve every good thing that is coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back again next Monday with another EFT tap along sequence, and on Friday I will be uploading my regular beauty product related video. Remember, you are in perfect time. Take care.